Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do this till later tonight. This gentleman wanted like random hexagon or polygon patterns on this thing, and I started playing around with it while the other video was loading, and it's a blast to play with stuff like this. But whenever you do something like this, make you copies of your original, and because you're going to mess one up and you don't want to do it. And then in this case, we can actually make our original bigger. And then there's some tools that you could use. And one of them is I think I used a tract and repel and set it like on 20 inches and set your rate really low. Because if you don't, it's going to happen before a blink of your eye and you're not going to be able to stop it, but you can always go back. But so grab that and make it, and you could play with it a couple of different ways, but you need to click on the item and then just let go. I mean, you've got to let go pretty fast, and you know, you could maybe even sweep through it and get, you know, different looks. I mean, let's set this thing on the lowest it'll go, like 1. And see, it's just going to give you different size shapes. And the only thing for the one I'm doing it for, we still need to make sure that we've still got, you know, your minimum requirement in there. But so I did one with that one. You could do, you know, get the twirl tool out and twirl them. You know, even maybe go on the outside and just twirl them a couple of times, and you're going to get different shape patterns. And do it one more time, and now let's put it into our item. Select it all. They're still grouped together and intersect. I mean, I don't think you can get more random than that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.